Styling my butterfly haircuts. I absolutely adore her hair color. So she used the flat iron and then the Velcro roller. So if you were to actually go to the salon and get the butterfly haircut done, this is how you would style the look and maintain it at home. So she takes out the rollers and reveals this beautiful layered hairstyle. Look how much volume the hair has. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be taking a look at gorgeous butterfly hairstyle ideas. Here we have someone who also has red hair. She does have some bangs going there in the front. So she's going to actually be cutting her hair, doing a DIY butterfly haircut. Very cute. And we have someone with blonde hair rocking out the trend. Very cute bangs going there in the front. Now she said that she layered the hair herself. And like we've seen in the previous video clip of the girl with the red hair, you can attempt to do a DIY version of this trend. However, if you have not cut your hair before, you have never cut your hair before, I would highly suggest going to the salon and getting this trend done, just to make sure that it comes out correct. So here we have this stylist doing a blowout. She's got this gorgeous chocolate brown hair color. Followed by someone with dark hair. I love her makeup. She's taken out those Velcro rollers to reveal her voluminous curls. Next up, we have someone with blue split dyed hair color. Blue and black. So she's doing another DIY cut here. Now hers is a little bit more subtle, but she still was able to achieve that layered aesthetic. I really love that hair color though, so pretty. Next up, we got another DIYer. Wow, she did a really good job. I still suggest though, if you have never cut your hair yourself before, do not experiment with this trend. Because these ladies definitely make it look very easy to do the unicorn method for achieving the butterfly haircut, but it is not as easy as they are making it appear. Just wanted to put that out there. The shine on her hair is unreal. Let's create the butterfly haircuts. Beautiful. There we have the nice layers going there. And like I said, this hairstyle is definitely going to give you some volume. So if you have hair on the thinner side and you're looking for a nice way to kind of thicken things up, this would definitely be a great haircut to try. It's also a great way to just frame your face and just give you a new look if you're looking for something different. So here we have someone trying to achieve the look with curly hair. So if you have curly hair, you can try this trend out as well. It just gives the curls more of a stacked appearance and adds, once again, more volume. So here we have someone else jumping in on the trend. So Ellie's cut the hair and now she's doing a blowout. So beautiful. Curls just came out amazing. You can really see that butterfly effect in the back. So here we have someone trying to do it on a wig. She's got blonde hair here. So after cutting the hair, she goes in and curls it with the flat iron. I feel like she would have gotten better results if she had used a curling iron versus the flat iron to curl the hair, just to give it more of that volumized appearance. And then, of course, set it with the roller. Next up, we have someone with a salt and pepper hair getting the trend. She's got some beautiful thick hair too. Very nice. Oh, wow. I love the way that this came out, especially with the way her hair is colored. Oh, so beautiful. Created like this gorgeous ombre effect, like with the way that the hair is cut. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we have another butterfly cut. So she's going to be cutting bangs there. And then she is curling the hair to give it that nice volumized appearance. So pretty. I really like it with the full bangs in the front. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.